Okay, let's now look at question 3. So 3.1 is a linear pattern. Okay, 7, 2, minus 3, and 3.1.1 says determine the general term. So the first thing is, let's see what the common difference is. So 7 minus, or 2 minus 7 is minus 5, and then minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Okay, so Tn is equal to, and then you write down the common difference times n, and then you see what the constant value is going to be. Okay, so let's test it. So minus 5 times 1 is obviously minus 5. So to get from minus 5 to 7, I have to plus 12. Okay, so let's test that out now. Minus 5 times 1 plus 12 is 7. Minus 5 times 2 plus 12 is 2. Minus 5 times 3 plus 12 is minus 3. So that works. Okay, so that's our general term. Okay, 3.1.2, calculate the value of t20. Okay, so now we have the general term. That's easy. You just substitute in 20 wherever you see n. Okay, so minus 5 times 20 plus 12 gives us minus 88. Okay, 3.1.3, which term in the pattern has a value of minus 138? Okay, so in 3.1.2, we were given the term and we had to find the value of the term. In 3.1.3, we're given the value of the term and we have to find out what term number that is. Okay, so Tn is equal to minus 5n plus 12, and we're given the value of Tn. So let's just substitute that in. So it's minus 138. And now it's a simple case of just solving for n. So I'll minus 12 on that side and then divide everything by minus 5. So minus 138 minus 12 gives us minus 150. Divide by minus 5 is 30. Okay. Let us now look at 3.2. 3.2 says 6, 2x plus 1, and 3x minus 3 are the first three terms of a linear pattern. Calculate the value of x. Okay, so a feature of linear patterns is that they have a common difference. Okay, so that means if I take t3 minus t2, it'll give me the same answer as if I take t2 minus t1. Okay, so let's apply that logic here. t3 minus t2 is the same as t2 minus t1. So t3 minus t2, so 3x minus 3 minus 3x minus 3, this was t3, this is t2, and that's t1. Okay, so t2 has 2x plus 1. Okay, and then now t2 minus t1, so 2x plus 1 minus 6. Okay, now let's just expand everything and solve. Okay, so I'm going to keep all the x's on this side. We're going to group like terms. Okay, so I'm going to bring this over to this side. So I'll have minus 2x here. And then I'll take all of these to the other side. Okay, so I'll have 1 plus 1 minus 6 plus 1 plus 3. Okay, so here I'll have 3 minus 2 is minus 1, so minus x. And then 1 minus 6 plus 1 plus 3 gives us minus 1. Okay, so therefore x equals 1 because I divide both sides by minus 1. Okay,